Let's look at a couple of volume formulas. First off, when we have a rectangular solid or a block, the volume formula is length times width times height. So in this case, we're going to have 6 centimeters times 3 centimeters times 2 centimeters. 6 times 3 is 18, times 2 is 36, and we will have 36 cubic centimeters, and volume is always measured in cubic units. Now let's look at finding the volume of a cylinder. Now a cylinder has a circle on one end, that's its base, which then gets multiplied by a height. And so we say the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared, that's just the area of the circle, times the height, which is our 10 in this case, right, like that. So our volume is going to be pi times 3 squared times 10, which is going to be pi times 9 times 10, which is going to equal 90 pi centimeters cubed, cubic centimeters. Now the reason we have that is we have centimeters times another centimeters. This would be the exact volume, and if we wanted to approximate the value of pi, we would now use our squiggly equal sign. We'd have to go off to the side here, 3.14 times 90. Put our placeholder 0 down in the next row and begin the multiplication by 9. 9 times 4 is 36. Put the 6 down, carry the 3. 9 times 1 is 9, plus the 3 we carried is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 9 times 3 is 27, plus the 1 we carried is 28. And move the decimal 2 places to the left because the 3.14 has 2 digits to the right of the decimal. And now we have an approximation of 282.6 cubic centimeters. Okay, one's an exact answer. That's the one we're going to use most often in our future math classes. But for now, we're usually using the approximation using 3.14, and so that would be the approximation.